Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're all welcome to Usi Hair Lounge, a channel that got you covered for latest hairstyles and nail design. So if you're just coming across any of my videos for the first time, please don't make today your last. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Remember to turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos as soon as we upload them here in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So my ladies, today we have carefully selected cute and beautiful nail art designs for my ladies. Gorgeous nails ideas for elegant ladies. You guys watch this video from beginning to the end, and trust when I say you'll definitely fall in love with this beautiful collection. These are simple and cute nails that will definitely elevate your look. So as you watch, kindly do select your favorite slide, then share to your family and friends so they can also be part of this video. Just in case this is not actually what you want, feel free to go into our channel to search for other nail designs. We have a lot of beautiful nail videos here. We also have hairstyles, so please go check them out and you'll be glad. Please, as you watch, like, comment and share. We wait for your lovely comment in the comment section. Just tell us, how do you love these nails? Will you be joining any of these nails? Let us know in the comment section. And thank you so much my ladies. See you guys on the next video. Bye.